And you said always focus on learning. What's your approach to learning? What advice can you give on how to learn best, not just when you're young, throughout your life?
Let me share a personal example with you. I used to learn a lot from reading, but these days, more and more, I learn by being fully present. Whenever I meet someone, I am fully present in the moment. I give them my full attention. This complete focus allows me to grasp new concepts quickly. When I'm with you, I'm fully present, grounded in the moment. No calls or messages can pull me away from this moment with you. I am fully present, focused on the here and now. That's why I always believe this is a habit everyone should embrace. It will sharpen your mind and improve your learning ability. Besides, knowledge alone cannot light the way. You must immerse yourself in the flow of practice. You cannot master driving merely by reading the life stories of great drivers. You must get behind the wheel and take the road yourself. You must dare to take risks. You can never master the road if fear of accident or death holds you back. I truly believe that. Those who live in the present are the ones who live their life to the fullest. That's because they know that every moment lived has already slipped into the past. So you must embrace the moment before it fades into the past. Otherwise, chasing the future only turns the present into the past. It's not a trade worth making. Most people stress so much about the future that their present quietly slips away. Before they know it, the moment has already faded into the past.
Yeah, I've heard a lot of stories of you having meetings with people, and it's usually all the distractions are there's no distractions. It's just two human beings, just like this, and just focused on the moment and the interaction. That's a really beautiful thing. And today really is a gift that you would give that focus to me. So thank you.